Today's goal is to clear out this corner. I'm actually probably not going to get all of it done today because I only have about 30 minutes, but I'm going to do as much as I can in a 30-minute window. And my goal long term is to, once I clear this out, that will be the space that I'll put all of the things that do not belong to us. And that way it will be neat and tidy and grouped together so that one day when they are able to get that stuff, it will be hopefully a little easier. And then that will also free up space on the other side of the garage, which is what my whole summer goal is right now. So let's get after it. It's really important to have a specific goal for a space before you start clearing it out. One thing I wanted to point out that I'm getting rid of, except for like 2 boxes, is we had, I would say, like 7 to 10 boxes and another bag full of stuffing. So if we ever sold anything, we would have a box or have the stuff to put in it to be able to ship it. The bad thing is, this was hidden underneath all the boxes and down where no one can see it, so it never gets touched. It's just been sitting there. So I'm actually going to throw it away, even though we are planning on selling some things. I feel like with how much like of this stuff just consistently keeps coming in, there will be more where that came from, right? So this is going in the trash. So 30 minutes is up, and I actually was able to clear quite a bit. I did keep the brooms and stuff that we use pretty regularly, but then I was able to kind of move everything that way a little bit. And then there's going to be 2 pieces of furniture that'll go here, but I will need Dave's help in order to move those. So once he gets home, then I will have him help me move those. And then that area will be done. Things don't always take as long as we think they're going to. And so I encourage you, just set a timer, whatever amount of time you have, even if it's only 5 minutes, and then just start going through. And what I'm doing right now is I'm going one item at a time, and I'm saying, one, do I want to keep this or get rid of it? And if I want to keep it, I'm setting it aside or putting it in his home, wherever that may be. So like today with the brooms, I set those aside because I knew I wanted to put them back in that corner once it was cleared out. But there were a couple things that I was like, oh, that needs to go here. For example, the black trash bags. We were keeping them right by the door, but now there's not a space for them there. So I actually moved them to a different shelf on the other side of the garage. And so just making sure you have a home for those things that you do want to keep. If it doesn't have a home right now, I'm considering it clutter. And clutter is what we're trying to get rid of. So if your stuff doesn't have a home, give it a home. Don't let it be homeless anymore. And with everything else that I'm not keeping, it's going out. All right. With that, I will see you in the next video. We've had some wasps in here, and I sprayed one, I think, I hope. Either that or made him really mad. It always kind of gives me chills whenever I'm spraying those things because I feel like they're gonna just dart right at me and sting me. And I don't want that, so wasps, I don't like wasps.